This is just a quick validation test to see data moving from your ERP system into the CIMcloud platform. So this simple test, we're going to go into the CRM workspace, go under customers and click on accounts. And at this point, your data should be synced up. So you should see your customer data that's synced into the accounts table in Sage. So pick a test customer. If you have a test customer that you place test orders with or do things with inside Sage, go search for and find that customer. In this case, I'm going to use 1989 distribution, and then just hit edit on that customer. And this is going to the add edit page. Generally, once the customer data is syncing, you're not going to need to edit this data. But I'm going to show you in the fields here. We're going to go into Sage. So I've got two windows open. You're seeing the web browser here, and then I'm going to click over. I am remoting into a server that's running a test Sage environment that we've got, and I'm under accounts receivable. I'm going into customer maintenance, and I am just going to search for this customer real quick inside Sage. And then I'm going to make two edits here just as a test. I'm going to get rid of that T or test one here, and I'm going to change this to wild test drive 99999. Then I'm going to make the change. When you accept the change, basically that data, the change log is tracked, and we have a sync tool that's polling for changes in the Sage 100 system and incrementally pushing them out back to the application. So we're going to kick over to the application here. And this will generally take a minute or so, depending on the sync timing to sync up. And then you can just refresh the page. And when you refresh, this is basically just showing you that the data has synced in. So I did not make the edit, it's synced in. The refresh will reload. So you can see that the T1 was removed here, and I'm now on 99999 wild test drive. So you can change your data back at this point, but again, that was just a validation to see data syncing.